Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm thrilled to share with you a truly remarkable timepiece, a vintage Seiko 5 automatic 7009-3131. This watch is a standout, featuring a striking yellow dial, a day and date display, and a reliable 17-jewel automatic movement. It's working perfectly, incredibly clean, and in excellent condition. A true gem for collectors and enthusiasts alike. To set the date, we pull the crown out to the third position. Now we can rotate it clockwise until the correct date appears in the window. Remember, it's best to avoid adjusting the date between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m., as this is when the watch is automatically changing the date. To set the day, we pull the crown out to the second position. Now, we can rotate it clockwise until the correct day appears in the window. It's crucial to only adjust the day in the correct direction to avoid damaging the movement. To adjust the time, we'll gently pull out the crown to the first position. You should feel a slight resistance. Now, we can rotate the crown clockwise to set the hour and minute hands. It's important to note that when you adjust the hour hand, the date and day might also change. Don't worry, we'll fix that in a moment. And there you have it. The time, day, and date are all set on our Seiko 5. It's ready to accompany you on your adventures. Now remember, always handle vintage watches with care. Let's take a closer look at this beauty. The bright, vibrant yellow dial is an absolute showstopper. It adds a unique character and charm that you don't often see in vintage watches. Paired with bold hour markers and the iconic Seiko 5 logo, it's a design that's both elegant and eye-catching. The stainless steel case and bracelet are crafted with durability in mind, ensuring that this timepiece not only looks great but will also stand the test of time. The vintage design and timeless appeal of the Seiko 5 Automatic are complemented by its working condition, offering both aesthetic value and mechanical performance. Whether you're a collector or someone who appreciates vintage watches with an automatic movement, the Seiko 5709-3131 is a must-have. And here's where things get exciting. We'll carefully remove the back cover to reveal the heart of this watch, the Seiko 7009 automatic movement. Take a look at this remarkable mechanism. It's a testament to Seiko's reputation for precision and reliability. This 17-jewel movement powers the watch effortlessly, without the need for a battery, relying solely on the natural motion of your wrist. After we admire this engineering marvel, I'll securely reattach the back cover, ensuring it's sealed and ready for everyday use. The vintage Seiko 5 Automatic 7009-3131 isn't just a watch. It's a bold statement piece with a vibrant design and timeless functionality. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more vintage watch showcases and insights. I'd love to hear your thoughts about this incredible yellow dial beauty or any other Seiko watches you admire. Thank you for watching, and now let's dive in and explore this unique timepiece together.